So we are at the beautiful Cliff Hotel in Negril, and it's a boutique experience. So I know it's not for everyone, but if you are looking forward to having a relaxing vacation, if you're looking for quiet time, if you're looking for beautiful rooms and an amazing property with a unique experience from a culinary perspective, amazing staff, and by the way, they're not paying me to say all of this, I'm just speaking from my own experience. We paid our full rate to be here, and we're here with friends, but this is the place to be, although it was just a day and a half after burial. So we're here, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the property. From the bamboo chandelier to the blue ocean. Welcome to the Cliff Hotel. Buenos dias. How was breakfast? This is my girlfriend Charlotte. You guys know her by now. Tell them how was breakfast.
Oh, breakfast was okay. It was Jamaican. It's a mix. Continental and Jamaican.
So you had a variety.
Yeah.
All right.
Along the beach side, so of course the view takes everything.
Sir Bertie, this is our friend Albert. What was the opinion of the breakfast?
It wasn't bad, you know. The omelette and it wasn't good, you know. It was anything.
Well, we slept in. It's now 11:30, and hubby and I and Brett back there, we're just getting up, so we haven't had breakfast
We're
yet.
hungry here.
Yes, but I'm gonna take you along and show you the property. So
Who ever take along? Me?
No, dear. Honey, that's probably
Things
please.
fall apart. You know about them things fall apart, don't it? Animal Farm?
No. Oh, possibly it was. So this is the lobby area, and we're actually checking out because, of course, I keep forgetting to video when I'm checking in, and then I remember after the fact, but I promise you I'm gonna get better at this. This is a wall, I'm gonna call this the Wall of Fame, with all the different performers actually on stage delivering. I think it's a really nice touch. Well, I think that's Pharrell up there, right? Isn't it Pharrell? Yeah, I don't know anybody else though. If you know anybody on this wall, tell me in the comments. And there's now a wall up here which I think is absolutely beautiful. So these appear to be photos, local photos. So you see our national fruit, which is the ackee. You see it up there. You see people preparing fish. You see fishermen. You see people riding a back. Just a really nice representation of our Jamaican culture. And this is gonna take you to some rooms on the upper level. So let's go outside. Of course, there's a gift shop, and this is another lounge area that extends from the lobby, basically a seating area, but it gives you the view of the ocean. So I think it's pretty strategically located. And just take a look at this property. I mean, just stunning. Just showing it to you from here so you get a bird's eye view, although I'm not using a drone. And remember, this is a day. This is Saturday after Hurricane Beryl. Thank God the impact here wasn't great either, or we're not seeing much of it. This hotel still doesn't have electricity, so they are on full generator at this point in time, which is another reason to stay here. You know, regardless of what is happening, your needs are gonna be met. Huh? No, you can go ahead and do it. So let's take a walk, just showing you some of the rooms from this perspective. Everyone has a balcony, and a lot of the balconies have hammocks on them, and of course seating, which I think is a pretty nice touch to give you an island feel with that kind of hammock and that kind of experience. Let's keep going here. Now the pool on this property, although it's not a huge commercialized property. The pool is extensive in my opinion. So this here looks like a hot tub, and yes, I see some jets, and it has seating, so that's what it is. And here, let me just give you a look from here before I take you along the path. Very extensive. It's almost like a lazy river pool kind of experience, and then you have a swim up bar on that side over there. Now let me take you along. I mean, there are several ways to get to where I want to take you, but let me take this route, and let's flip the camera here. And this is, if you're into playing pool, you can get that experience here as well, and you get it in your own little private area under this gazebo. And here we go. There's like a bridge over the pool right there. A lot of almond trees, as you can see, which they're multifaceted because they provide shade. But if you're into eating almonds the old-fashioned way, which means you take it down, you use a rock stone. In Jamaica we call them rock stone, yeah, it's stones. You beat the almond with it until you break the shell, and then you have within the shell, of course, you have the actual almond, which is the treat. This is the pool from a different perspective, and I'm being very careful not to capture people's faces, so that's why I may not be doing a good job of this. But here we go, heading down. Let me flip the camera because there are people in front of me, and these are some people, their backs are turned, so I can take a chance here and record. And more almond trees. Look at that, you could easily get that almond there. Morning. And then this is a dining area, and there are folks in there, so I'm not necessarily going to go into there, but you have that experience. And this is where we were last night. We hung out here. We basically had something to eat. This is another area that's adjacent to the dining area, so this gives you an outdoor dining experience. But this particular area is where we were hanging out with the staff. And morning, how are you? Excellent, thank you. Morning, everyone. So this is the view of the ocean. So we're right on the cliff, hence the Cliff Hotel. They're still setting up, as you can see, after the hurricane, because these concrete blocks that you're looking at, they actually put umbrellas and seating on them, so it's like you're on your own little island on the island looking out at the ocean. And I think it's just absolutely beautiful, and it's a great idea to give you that kind of private experience right here on the beach at the Cliff Hotel. Again, this is not an advertisement. I'm not being paid to say these things, but I just think it's a find for us, right, Charlotte? Yeah. And we definitely will be coming back, because this kind of experience, tranquil is the right word. So Charlotte, you guys can see Charlotte there. Charlotte said it's tranquil.
It's very tranquil,
which is the right word. So there was something I forgot. Charlotte pointed out that there's a massage, or the spa area is around here. So again, you're close by the water, and we're going to it. It's like a little hideaway. It says quiet zone, so I may have to whisper while I'm talking. Really? It says yoga pavilion on the side. Oh my God, look at this. This is how you get to the spa, guys. It's like what you call this, Charlotte? The arch. So plants make a natural arch, and then here is the spa, and you have some open concept. Of course, we're not gonna go in, but it's kind of giving you the kind of experience where you're in the wild, or if I want to have a better word, not wild, but you know what I mean. Nature. You're in full. So you know, when normally at a spa, what is this alarm? Okay, You know, normally at a spa, the whole idea, yes, Charlotte, one with nature, yes. So it's kind of open, and this now looks like somewhere that people probably would get married. Yeah, because this is a gazebo, yes. This looks like it would be nice for a wedding. Absolutely stunning. What a discovery. And I was leaving not seeing this. I'm sure there are other things on this property to be discovered beyond what we have showed you. But next time, if anything, we will. Yes, the damage. And then there is ventilation here as well, because the fans are here. And oh, this is probably where they work out. Yeah. So this is the yoga zen. Oh, so that's what this is. So this is where guests can come to exercise, because there are the yoga mats, the yoga blocks are there, and this is a wooden floor, which is ideal. But you can imagine doing your yoga right here with that view. Amazing. Yes, and this is an outdoor shower here, I guess after they're done with their spa treatment, or probably after they're done working out, they can go there and get a nice shower. I love the bamboo here, the natural, yes. Just keeping it real, keeping it natural, and still aesthetically pleasing. Getting multiple things in one experience by doing that. But alright, good. What is that over there?
Is that little plate behind the back?
What is this? This building here. I'm like, we'll go check it out. Honey, where's Brett? Oh, I see him. It's a conference room. Oh, this is a, oh my goodness, this is a garden. Isn't this nice? Yes, so all the herbs and things. Yes, so this have green mint, black mint, turmeric, thyme, rosemary, tarragon, I have no idea what that is, basil, and then it have, look like Single Bible over there, and then you come over here, yes, you see callaloo over here, and there's a cherry tree, Charlotte. So this is like a little green garden, I guess, if guests want to have some tea. No, it's not cherry. No idea. It looks cherry-ish, but I don't think so. But this is nice. It's a nice touch, right? So like if you wanted, I'm sure they probably do. Or if the guests want a little bit of mint tea, because we gas a bus way up, like what was happening to me yesterday, then we have this option, right? And then this now is another building on the property. This looks like a, oh, this is a boardroom, a conference room. So business travelers can come here as well, obviously. Yes, and it extends round the corner, so it comes here. Has a TV. It's a big enough room, yeah, for a boutique property. This is ideal. So if you're coming here for business, you have that option as well. She's nice. Yeah. Very nice. Place there.
So it's not only for relaxing.
Tourism, not tourism, but vacation. It's also for business, or you can mix. It's a good mix. You remember, listen guys, I had, when it was my 40th birthday, we went to Moon Palace, you remember?
There was a Moon Palace there though.
Yes, it was Moon Palace. It had just changed to Moon Palace, and we went there and we did a treasure hunt. Yeah. And everybody was on teams. Like so scavenger hunt, not treasure hunt, right? And we were on teams, and I'm telling you, we had such a blast. Yes, we had clues that we had to follow. Well, I was judging. They had clues. It was my birthday. They were supposed to make me laugh. So they had clues that they were to follow, so it was so much fun. So planning something like that for the 50th birthday, so stay tuned. I can see you patiently waiting for us. We're happy for that. You ready to go? I'll show you the video. You can finally watch one of my videos.
Or you can just send me that right now.
No, you need to watch it on YouTube. That's right.